Today we're diving into the features of the ILIFE V3s Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner, a sleek and efficient cleaning solution perfect for pet owners and hard floor enthusiasts. This robotic vacuum is designed with a tangle-free pet hair care suction, ensuring it picks up hair, dirt, crumbs, and debris effectively on surfaces like hardwood, tile, laminate, stone, and low-pile carpet. With a slim profile of just 3 inches in height, it easily glides under beds and sofas, reaching those hidden spots where dust loves to settle. The V3s Pro is equipped with automatic cleaning and charging capabilities, allowing it to follow a preset schedule and return to its charging dock when the battery runs low, providing 90 to 100 minutes of runtime per charge. Its built-in infrared sensors help it navigate around obstacles and avoid drop-offs, ensuring a smooth and safe cleaning experience. Starting the vacuum is a breeze with options to use the remote control or a simple one-button touch on the device itself. For easy maintenance, remember to empty the dustbin and clean the filter after each use, replacing the filter monthly for optimal performance. With a 12-month warranty and dedicated US customer service, the ILIFE V3s Pro offers peace of mind and reliable support for all your cleaning needs.